Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist, and welcome back. So today we're looking at a Grand Design Solitude 2021, and a couple things I'm going to point out. So I'm in the middle of doing my exterior evaluation. I stopped to this video. Something that we see all the time is consumers have come in and they've reverse rolled the awning by accident. So as you can see here, the awning fabric is wound the opposite direction, and it's showing the white inside versus the black outer, right? And so when I'm looking at these awnings, I'm always looking at the rails to see if they're coming loose, and we find them quite regularly, as well as the wiring will either be like too long or too short or exposed. And so we'll typically say, hey, put some split loom around that. But anyways, I wanted to talk about that. And a lot of times, like we actually just had a customer too that we replaced the awning fabric on, and they hyper extended it out by reverse rolling it even further than what it should be, to cause the arms to be at too much of a pitch. And so it was actually hitting their slide out room, and then the arms were down so further that they were like, hey, something's not right. Well, we basically called them back up and said, hey, we looked at your pictures, you just need to not extend it so far. And so on this one, like I said, it's real easy to reverse roll it. And that's exactly what they did, was they reverse rolled it. So make sure when you're rolling these up that you're checking to make sure you got it closed in the correct position. And now, if we had rain, which we got some coming, this is going to act like a cup up there. Instead of it being, rolled off this way, it's acting like this, and it's just going to build with water. So, all right. Well, thanks so much for watching, and hopefully this video helps somebody out there. Have a great day.